Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, the vitamin that helps reduce fat in the liver. The liver is one of the most vital organs in our body, playing a key role in numerous functions that keep us healthy. It helps in digesting food, absorbing nutrients, and filtering toxins from the blood. Without a healthy liver, our overall well-being can suffer significantly. In this video, we'll be focusing on a specific vitamin that has been scientifically proven to help reduce fat in the liver. If you're concerned about liver health, you'll definitely want to stick around and learn more about this powerful nutrient. Understanding the liver. To truly appreciate the benefits of this vitamin, it's important to understand the role of the liver in our body. The liver is a powerhouse organ that performs several crucial functions. It aids in digestion by producing bile, which helps break down fats. It absorbs nutrients from the food we eat, converting them into essential substances the body needs. It filters toxins from the blood, ensuring harmful substances are removed from our system. It stores energy in the form of glycogen, which can be converted back into glucose when needed. Given these vital roles, it's clear that maintaining liver health is critical. A healthy liver is essential for overall well-being, as it supports digestion, detoxification, and energy storage. Without a properly functioning liver, our bodies would struggle to process nutrients and remove toxins, leading to numerous health issues. That's why it's so important to take proactive steps to support liver health, including incorporating beneficial vitamins into our diet. Speaking of beneficial vitamins, let's now dive into the star of today's video, vitamin E, a powerful nutrient that can significantly aid in maintaining a healthy liver. What is vitamin E? Now that we understand the importance of liver health, let's dive into the star of today's video. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that acts as a powerful antioxidant. There are several forms of vitamin E, but the most biologically active and commonly known form is alpha-tocopherol. Sources of vitamin E. Vitamin E is naturally found in various foods, making it relatively easy to incorporate into your diet. Some of the best sources of vitamin E include leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, nuts such as almonds and hazelnuts, seeds, particularly sunflower seeds, vegetable oils like sunflower oil and olive oil, soybeans and soybean oil. Including these foods in your diet can help ensure you get an adequate amount of vitamin E, which is essential for maintaining overall health and supporting liver function. Now that we know what vitamin E is and where to find it, let's explore how this vitamin specifically benefits liver health. Vitamin E and liver health. Vitamin E's primary role in the body is as a potent antioxidant. Antioxidants are substances that help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can harm cells, proteins, and DNA. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin E helps to prevent oxidative stress, which is a key factor in the development of many chronic diseases, including liver disease. Scientific research has highlighted the benefits of vitamin E for liver health. A notable study conducted by Case Western Reserve University found that vitamin E supplementation significantly reduced liver fat in overweight or obese individuals. This study provides strong evidence that vitamin E can be an effective tool in managing liver fat, particularly in those at higher risk of fatty liver disease. So, how does vitamin E work to reduce liver fat? Vitamin E helps promote the breakdown of fats in the liver by enhancing the liver's ability to metabolize fatty acids. This process not only reduces the accumulation of fat in the liver but also improves overall liver function. By supporting the liver's natural detoxification processes and reducing oxidative stress, vitamin E helps maintain a healthier liver environment. While vitamin E is fantastic for liver health, its benefits don't stop there. Let's take a look at some other ways this vitamin can enhance your overall well-being. Skin health. Beyond its benefits for liver health, vitamin E is well known for its positive effects on skin health. As an antioxidant, it helps protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays and environmental pollutants. Vitamin E can also aid in preventing wrinkles and fine lines by promoting collagen production and maintaining skin elasticity. Additionally, its moisturizing properties help in healing and repairing damaged skin, making it a common ingredient in many skincare products. Immune system support. Vitamin E also plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system. It enhances the body's immune response by stimulating the production of immune cells and improving their ability to fight off infections. This makes vitamin E particularly important for maintaining overall health and resilience against illnesses, especially as we age. Eye health. Another significant benefit of vitamin E is its role in maintaining eye health. It helps protect the cells in the eyes from oxidative damage, which can lead to age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. By incorporating sufficient vitamin E into your diet, you can help preserve your vision and reduce the risk of these common eye conditions. While vitamin E offers numerous benefits, it's also important to be aware of potential side effects and precautions. Let's discuss these next. Potential side effects and precautions. While vitamin E offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of its potential side effects, especially if taken in excessive amounts. High doses of vitamin E can lead to side effects such as nausea, headaches, fatigue, and even gastrointestinal issues. It's crucial to monitor your intake and avoid exceeding the recommended daily allowance unless advised by a healthcare professional. Another important consideration is the potential interaction of vitamin E with certain medications. For instance, vitamin E can act as a blood thinner, which may enhance the effects of anticoagulant medications like warfarin, increasing the risk of bleeding. It can also interact with medications used for chemotherapy, affecting their efficacy. Always be cautious and inform your healthcare provider about any supplements you are taking. How to incorporate vitamin E into your diet. To reap the benefits of vitamin E, it's important to incorporate it into your diet. As mentioned earlier, some of the best sources of vitamin E include leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, nuts such as almonds and hazelnuts, seeds, particularly sunflower seeds, vegetable oils like sunflower oil and olive oil, soybeans and soybean oil. By including these foods in your daily meals, you can naturally boost your vitamin E intake. Supplementation. In addition to dietary sources, vitamin E supplements are available for those who may have difficulty getting enough from food alone. These supplements come in various forms, including capsules and oils, and can be an effective way to ensure you're meeting your vitamin E needs. Consultation with healthcare provider. However, before starting any new supplement regimen, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider. They can help determine the appropriate dosage for your specific health needs and ensure that the supplement won't interact with any medications you're currently taking. Considering these benefits, incorporating vitamin E into your diet is a great step towards maintaining a healthy liver and improving your overall health. Whether through foods rich in vitamin E or supplements, make sure you're getting enough of this essential vitamin. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and information. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Take care and stay healthy.